Welcome to the virtual tour of the food sink. So here's our prototype, the Northern Tree. So the Northern Tree has 17 branches made of PVC, 16 of which are in a V formation. And then we have a bigger one at the bottom for taller plants here, such as tomatoes and cucumbers. On the smaller branches, we have lettuce growing at the moment, and these branches are designed essentially for smaller crops. At each crop, each cultivar, we have a spaghetti tube for drip irrigation. And because we have two types of crops, we needed two different tanks for the different requirements in NPK. So we have a bigger tank for the lettuce because there's more of them. And then we have a smaller one for the tomatoes. Then these two tanks are connected through, passing through the main trunk, and then reaches each branch, then goes through each spaghetti tube to reach all the different crops. So the excess water is then collected here at the junction of the trunk and the branch. And all the excess water is then collected into these two blue tanks, which contains a pump that pumps back the solution into the feed tanks. So these are the internal components that we built. For an external component, we added lighting. So you can see the 3 overhead LED strips. So essentially what we did is we took LED strips and we mounted them on metal frames and then hung them above, each branch that had a set of cultivar. So we also did the same for the tomatoes, but because they grow tall, we added them vertically, just to make sure that they have enough light throughout. Voila!